Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 13th, 2022. Cathy Wood, she sold Tesla to buy GM stock. I'm going to talk about it. I know a lot of people on YouTube and mainstream media, magazine articles are coming out really pocket watching Cathy Wood and see what she's doing with the money that she has for her ARK Invest fund. So I'm going to show you all, what does the market overall think? Just because one person comes in and buys a particular stake in a company doesn't mean that you need to do the same thing. I mean, they have their strategy, they have their agenda. You need to have your own and move accordingly. Don't follow what other people are trying to do. The mainstream media, social media pundits, those on YouTube, those on other social media platforms, they utilize that information to try to garner more attention, more influence for themselves. You need to do what's in the best interest of yourself as well, which is why I'm here. I'm here to show you whether or not we should be looking at General Motors. If Cathy Woods bought it, then obviously that must mean she's looking for a price to go up, right? Don't worry about it, because the price will tell you. The price chart will let you know what direction GM is about to go, and if Cathy Wood is right. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, come on board. Go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, because one thing you begin to see and understand is that you don't have to look at what everybody else is trying to do. You just need to look at the price, because price is really what everyone is trying to do when they come in and either hit the buy button or hit that sell button. It's recorded. They cannot come back and take it back. Once Cathy Wood came through and bought GM, she can't take it back. Nobody can. Once you come in and sell your position, you cannot take it back. You're out the game. And it's recorded whenever you look at the price chart. So make sure you keep it locked in here, right? Now, let's talk about this real quick, because you guys can see I did a video all the way back on April the 6th, 2020, or I did this price prediction looking for GM to go up. You all can see that that's literally been the case right here. Now, we got that 19% out the market in GM. Price went all the way up here to $67, 179% run up. Cool. If I were to get out the market now, my last price prediction for GM, we're up 48.25%. Cool, done. Now let's get rid of it. I wanted to start out by looking at this weekly chart in GM, because one thing I wanted to show you all is that this market in GM, look at this. I wanted to show you how many trading days this market in GM has been trading below, let's say this $40, right? You guys can see that this market had issues with price trading above $40. It couldn't do it. We got a couple of days to where the market in GM did trade above 40. Cool. But overwhelmingly, a lot of the trades in GM trades well below $40. Okay. That's an issue, especially for Cathy Woods, who's looking for GM inevitably, I would say, to go up. This is the article right here. This is one of them. Cathy Wood shocks the market after dumping $12.7 million of Tesla stock to buy up some General Motors. This was about, what, 3 days ago? May the 10th, 2022. Now, if she came through and bought GM, when did she buy it? Right? That's the question. Just because this article came out May the 10th doesn't mean that she actually bought on May the 10th. Now, I know that she reveals all of her buys and sells on a daily basis. Maybe it was a couple of days before May the 10th. Maybe May the 9th, May the 8th. So why would she buy it around $40 if that is the case? Why? What's really going on? Does she know something that we don't know? Should we worry about her buying GM around 40, 42.50? Should we go in and buy it at these prices, or should we wait? Let's see, because that's the first problem I'm seeing right now, is that the price is trading below $40. Right? I don't like that. You guys can even see that there's a pretty good area of restriction right here as well, around 37.50. Okay, that's the first problem. Second problem, if you were to look at this on the monthly perspective, is that GM is in a downturn. Like we're seeing weakness. This is not a buy opportunity. Every month since January, right here, price has been going down, and we haven't stopped yet. Now, This area right here is the basis to where I'm looking at. If GM is going to be a buy, we need to find buyers around this particular level, and it may be around 32.50. I can see here from a monthly perspective, I would say 32.50 to $33.50 for us to see buyers trying to come in and prop up this stock's price. Okay, 32.50 to 33.50. This is GM on a 5-weekly chart. All right, so you guys can pretty much see it. 3 weeks, you guys can see it there. This is not the opportunity to try to come in and buy the market in GM right now. I still suspect we got a little bit more weakness to go through. Okay, just a little bit more before we try to see buyers come in and prop up this stock's price. Okay, so now what do you think about this though? Do you see that? Like the market gives us exactly what the majority of the market participants think about GM. Whether Cathy Wood's buying or selling, the market in GM is now even breaking this trend that started all the way back in 2012. See, what we want to see is confirmation. If we need to come in and buy this stock like Cathy Wood, then we need to see confirmation on the price chart. Now, I've already shown you one price level that the buyers did not confirm, which is we're breaking below $40. That's a problem. The second problem is us seeing this price break this long-term trend we started in 2012. We want to see buyers confirm the trend, right? Every time GM came down to this ascending line, it came and bounced. Now there's been opportunities where you guys can see it traded below and it wasn't a buy. Look, we came right back up above GM, that ascending line, and now we're coming right back down below it. That's not good for the market buyers. I'm just saying. So this still tells me that GM is weak because price is breaking the trend. So how low do you think the price is going to go? Even though she bought General Motors, the price to me is not showing that it's a buy. We're not showing the market agreeing with what she just did in buying this stock. Now, like I said, 32.50 is the first location that we can possibly see the market in GM come down towards to find the buyers. I'm really looking at 33.50. Okay, so let me go ahead and drop this on the chart so you all can see it. Okay, now I'm going to be looking for a price in GM to continue to trend lower until we see the market, I'll say, break above $42 or $41.50. Okay. Now that first price target, like I said, was around 33.50. That will give us what, 3.67%. Let me see. About 5.25%. But I'm really looking at 32.50. That's my second price target, 32.50. Okay. 32.50 is my first price target for us to try to look at GM going down towards to find buyers. Second one would be around 30. Okay. So I got two price targets, $32.50 and $30. Now, we're going to continue to be weak into the market until we see GM either break above $40 and then hold it as support. If the price in GM goes all the way up here to $40 and we still see it get rejected and begin to come back down, then we know that it's not a buy. We still know that we're in a good position to let the price continue to come down. Okay. So let me go ahead and fix this up a little bit. All right, just to recap, first, 32.50 is my first price target. My second one is 30. You guys can go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section and let everyone know where do you suspect the price in GM is about to go. Should you come in and buy it because Cathy Wood bought it, or should you come in and wait? Because I'm looking at the market telling us we need to wait. All right. So now let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.